Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to reset. Red light blinking on Epson printer. Having trouble with flashing red lights or a maintenance error on your Epson EcoTank printer? This video shows you how to reset the waste ink counter, which is crucial after replacing the maintenance box. Download the software. Go to inkchip.net. Link in video description. Click on WIC. Choose your language for free download. Install the software. Ensure your printer is connected to your computer via USB cable. Choose your language to run the software. Click on Waste Ink Counters. Select your printer. Click on Read Waste Ink Counter. If the ink counter is 100%, you need to reset. Close pop-up windows and click on Reset Waste Ink Counter. Return to inkchip.net. Buy the $9.99 per one reset key. Use T-Repair coupon code for a discount. Input the key and click OK. Click on Waste Ink Counter. Turn the printer off and on again. 2. Finish the counter reset. Now your printer is solved back to normal. Test the printer. Turn off the printer. Wait until the printer is power off. Put paper in the printer. Paper feed tray. Hold down the stop and power button about 10 seconds. The printer will be feeding paper and printing a nozzle. Check. If your Epson EcoTank printer showing a maintenance error or flashing red lights, or did you replace the maintenance box? You must reset the waste ink counter to clear the error and get back to printing. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit inkchip.net for the software and key code. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more printer tips.